Alright, so imagine you having just one single tool that can help you and your team members manage all your cold outreach activities. If you're in need of such a tool, then QuickMail is the perfect cold outreach tool for you. If you're struggling with your outreach processes, this is one tool you definitely need to fix all your troubles.
Alright, so one of the major reasons why people like using QuickMail compared to other cold email software is that QuickMail is actually one of the best tools that you can find out there to help you get higher responses from every of your emails. Alright, so every email campaigns you're sending, you are eligible to get higher responses using QuickMail. They've also integrated LinkedIn automation across all plans, and you can basically go ahead and send up to 40,000 emails every single day per one single account. So imagine if you have two sending accounts, that is over 80,000 emails every single day here on QuickMail. You can see the reason why many people prefer using QuickMail than any other cold email marketing software. So you should be happy you found this video. You should be happy you're learning more about QuickMail, and in a very bit of time I'm going to walk you through how to use this tool to start sending out cold emails. I mean thousands of cold emails every single day. And honestly, QuickMail is actually very dependable because 99.9% of the time QuickMail is always active. So it means that businesses can count on QuickMail to send their emails smoothly and on time. Very important. And on time, which is very important. And even if they actually send a lot, like 40,000 emails every single day, QuickMail is still capable, alright, of sending the email smoothly and without any issues at all. So QuickMail has been this reliable for over 10 years. Yeah, for over 10 years. So businesses trust, a lot of people trust using QuickMail, and me myself, I trust using them. You yourself should trust using QuickMail. So it's like having a super reliable helper for sending emails whenever you need to. So come on, let's go into the video and let me show you how to use this tool.
So in this video, I'll give you a detailed guide on how to use this tool called QuickMail, its features, and also its capabilities in helping you send over 300,000 cold emails per month without any breakdown. So I'm going to be leaving the link directly to the QuickMail page down in the video description for your easy access, okay? And what I want you to do is to just click on the link. It's going to bring you over to this page. Then here on this page, you just want to go ahead and create an account for yourself. And right here where it says you should add the card details to proceed, you don't have to worry about that because you won't be charged not until you wish to upgrade your account, okay? So they are basically just doing this to keep scammers out of the tool, to make sure it is safe for you and I. So here you can see that we have a new dashboard on QuickMail, and we have just 3 steps to complete in order to get our first campaign live and running. So the first step here is for us to add the email addresses we would love to use in sending out our cold campaigns. So here on QuickMail, you can add up to 50 different email sending accounts, which is super helpful in making sure that you are not limited to how many emails you can send per day, and you would also be having a good inbox rate from every of your campaign. And this is one of the many reasons why me myself and so many people out there prefer using QuickMail for cold mailing. So to add your own email sending account, all you have to do right now is to click on this button here, and you can see we have 2 drop down menus right here. So we would have to go with the first one because I have the necessary information of my email sending account. So once you click on that, you can go ahead and add any type of email sending account you want to use, such as your Gmail and G Suite email account. You have the Outlook and Office 365 email account, and finally you also have a custom SMTP account. So these are the free sending account you can have here on QuickMail. So for the sake of this video, alright, I'm going to be working with the first option here, which is the Gmail email account. So I basically want to have my sending account directly from my Gmail account. So I'm going to click on this right here. Then I'm going to select this exact email address, okay? I'm going to grant QuickMail the permission to use this Gmail account as my original sending account. And that's it. You can see that we have successfully added up a new Gmail sending account, and the process is similar to other options too. And you can add as many sending account as possible, and me myself, I recommend it, and that is why I showed you guys how to just do it really quick, so you can add as many as you want to. And like I said, I recommend you do that. So this particular account here sent up to 1,500 emails per day, and which to me is fair enough and a good one to make sure that we have a good inbox rate. So if you actually want to do things like maybe having 10 sending account, which basically sends 1.5 per day, right? You can do, if you do the calculation rightly, you realize that we can be sending up to 15,000 emails every single day. And if you decide to have more than one sending account, you can basically switch your sending account, okay, anytime you wish to. So maybe you don't want to use this first one, you might also want to use the second one currently for any of your campaign. You can go ahead and do that. All right, and honestly, this is a great feature from QuickMail. Kudos to the team. And from time to time, I'm also going to be testing out various stuffs here, and honestly, I will need to spend much time with those two because I can see a lot of potentials in it. So once I'm getting to see all those things working fine, I come up here on my YouTube channel to share with people like you who are also putting in the grind. So now let's go back to our dashboard tab. All right, and you can see that we've successfully done step 1, and now it's time for us to go over to step 2. So which is to create a new campaign. So go ahead and click on this button right here, and now you have to choose if you want this campaign to be visible to every of your team member, or you want to be the only one who can see it. So that is what QuickMail can do. Basically, you can have many of your team members here on your account, and you guys can manage the whole campaign all by yourself. So this first option will be for you if you have your team members on board, and I'm going to show you how to add your team members in a little bit so that they can also flow with you, and also you guys can process each and every of your campaigns by yourself. So, and as for me, I've got no one but me on this account, so I'll quickly select the only me option. Then I'm just going to give this a random name, basically a demo meeting, because this is just me showing you how this tool works, right? Okay, so this is very good. Now let's continue. So now you have to pay attention to everything that I will say from now henceforth. So now you see that we have quite a number of steps here, and this simply means what was the main reason why we want to create a campaign. So basically, for every of your campaign, you should definitely want to do something from it, right? Maybe you want to send an email, maybe you want to send SMS, or maybe you want to do some other thing. You need to decide each and every of your campaign is going to be for what. So QuickMail is a very robust tool designed for high outreach performance, team members performance, and communication. So you should know that every feature built on this tool is meant to deliver at high level and increase efficiency in your business. So I'm going to select the email icon here because that is what my campaign is going to be all about. I want to send emails to a set of people, and I believe that is what majority of us would love to do. So quickly, I'll go ahead and add my message right here, and should, in case you want to add attributes to your mail, such as maybe first name, last name of your prospect, you can go ahead and do that here on QuickMail by clicking on this icon right here. So this will basically help you get your emails more personalized. So I'm going to do that really quick. So once done with that, I'm going to add some days interval space for my next email to commence. So basically, this is actually going to be a workflow, right? Okay, so after they receive my first email, they set up to wait for at least 2-3 days before it sends up my follow-up email. So I'm going to go with 2 days as it is best for me, right? Then for the follow-up email, this is what I'm going to quickly do right now. Alright, so you can see I already have my follow-up email, and you can see everything is looking good. So now you get to see how those steps are being performed, and you can see how the flow is going to be like. So all they have to do is the first time I'm going to message these guys, and in a few days time they are also going to be receiving my next email. So the more steps you have, the more flows you have, the better for you. So if you feel that this you would actually have to add up more emails, you can go ahead and do that. You can actually add in your space interval just to make sure everything fits your business properly. So now let's go ahead and add a list to this campaign of ours. So I'm going to come back here to the campaign dashboard, and right here we have 2 more steps to carry on with. So let's go with adding our leads first. Okay, so I'm going to click on add leads button right here, and now I'm going to select which of the methods I'm going to use in adding up my leads. So I can do that either by adding my leads manually or by importing via a CSV file, or either by importing directly from my Google Drive. So you can see 3 options for you if you want to go ahead and add in your list. So my favorite option is to import from my CSV. So I'll have to go ahead and choose my CSV file, and now you can see that the next thing we have to do is to just match the details correctly and make sure that the email column is where it should be, the phone contact and all, and everything is well placed. So once done, click on next, and you want to select the campaign you are importing your leads into, and then we can go ahead and click on import right away. And that's it. You can see we have our leads all successfully imported, and this is going on so well so far. Alright, so if you're enjoying this video, make sure to smash the like button, and please, if you've got any questions concerning this tool, you can ask me down in the comment section below. Alright, so right now you can see that we are ready to start shooting out our emails, but quickly let's go ahead and send a text campaign to see how this would look like in the inbox folder of our recipients. So once here on the campaign dashboard, you want to select this option that says text campaign. So now go ahead and click on text icon right here, and select who should receive the text email. Then once done, you want to go ahead and click on send. Alright, and that's it. So quickly, let me head over to my email account to check that out. And here guys, you can see that we have our text mail delivered to us. Oh good. So if I go ahead and open this up, you can see what the message looks like, and you can see that everything is well organized and rightly placed. We have the emails all here looking good, well documented, and the follow-up email is also here, and it seems everything is perfectly fine and ready to be sent to our lead. So please make sure to always test your campaigns to see that everything is fine and well arranged. So now we can go ahead and set our campaigns to live just like this, and the moment you do this, boom, you have your campaigns running already. And you can see that we have our campaign live. So I'm just going to pause this, and the reason is because this email list of mine that I uploaded and the email message from ChatGPT don't match at all. I'm already doing this just to show you guys how easy it is to set up a campaign right here on QuickMail. So but that is not all to this amazing tool. And now some amazing feature you should know about QuickMail. Okay, number one is the ability for you to also integrate your LinkedIn account for outreach purposes. So many of you might actually need to communicate with your leads via LinkedIn, so you don't need to worry about all of that, because you can easily manage all your outreach processes directly from your QuickMail dashboard. And this is actually going to be an awesome feature for those of you who love to connect with LinkedIn. And from the general section right here, you can do a lot of things such as changing your workspace name if you need to. You can also add your specific time zone to best fit your outreach campaign. So secondly, on QuickMail, you can also integrate other software and tools to help you meet your expectations. And for instance, now I would love to also verify my leads on QuickMail. Alright, so this is actually going to be something that I can do directly from QuickMail instead of me going out there and using an external lead verification system. And this can be possible by integrating an email verification tool. So once I click on configure right here, and you can see the list of email verification tool that I can integrate with QuickMail. So I would have to select one of these, and I will just go with Bouncer as I use them a lot for my email verification processes. So here you can see that I would need to provide my Bouncer API key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to my Bouncer account to get my API key, and right here on my account you can see this very section here where we have API. I'm just going to click on this, and you can see that the API is displayed right here. So what I have to do right now is just copy this API key, come back to QuickMail and add it right here. And that's it. You can see that we have successfully integrated an email verification tool on my QuickMail account, which means that I can directly verify my leads before proceeding with any of my campaigns. You can see how amazing this feature is. You can also add your favorite CRM tools and many other tools of your choice. So guys, you can see how beautiful and how super easy it is to use the QuickMail software. So more content about about QuickMail, I'm going to be making sure I release here on my channel, because I just have an expert plan with them, and this would actually trigger me to wanting to make sure that I use the tool rightly, so that you guys can learn from everything and every of my steps that I just get to discover.
Alright, so I want to show you guys something really quick about QuickMail. Alright, you can see QuickMail has an advanced analytic dashboard to give you a deep dive into how your campaigns are basically performing. So giving you this valuable insight into the actual deliverability of your emails sent from your inbox or campaigns based on your email statistic. You can see that we have the following metrics available. We have the open rate, the clicks, the replies, bounces, and unsubscribes. Okay, you can see that all these things here are just to help you make sure that your email campaigns are performing well. So if you actually want to change the data type display, you can simply use this filter by clicking on the three dot here. You can see this three dot here. If I go ahead and click on that right here, you can see that I can just filter out what I want to see and what I don't want to see. So all those things here are just to enhance your performance, alright, from every of your email campaigns, right? So with all this amazing feature, alright, that all this amazing data inside, you can track how your campaigns are literally performing. So, and also to get more clear understanding about how this thing works, okay, I believe in the official QuickMail blog website, where you can find out more information and in depth about this amazing feature from QuickMail. Alright, so QuickMail also has this email AI tool that helps you deliver your email. So the main reason why they have this tool is to help you boost your email campaigns by automating your inbox management and enhancing your delivery rates. Okay, so you get daily insight from numerous data points, helping you to get more replies with fewer emails. So the AI also helps you protect your sender reputation by managing your email account recovery and automating manual tasks. So all these things, you don't have to do it all by yourself. AI actually helps you do all the work so that you yourself can focus on something else while AI is doing the work for you and helping you, making sure that you are getting much more replies from every of your email campaigns. So this ensures that your emails are basically going into the inbox folder of your recipients and also helping you to save time and effort. So you can see how super amazing this AI tool can be, and you can only make use of it if you are making use of QuickMail. So I really recommend that you guys start making use of QuickMail to start sending out your cold emails every single day. So to get more about this AI tool, I'm also going to be leaving the link down in the video description for easy access. You might want to just go take your time to read through the blog and understand better how this AI tool works and how it can help you get the best out of QuickMail.
And finally, to add other themes to your QuickMail account, it is very simple. All you have to do is to come down to this very part here where it says theme. You want to click on add theme, and now you want to go ahead and click on add members. And here you can see that an invitation link has been generated for you. So copy this link and send to whosoever you want to have on board. And that's it, guys. You already have this person joining your team on QuickMail. So you want to make sure you also check out their pricing plans, which starts from $49 per month to $129 per month. To get the best option for your business, please make sure you go for a paid plan, because going for a paid plan will definitely open you to enjoying this tool to the fullest without any restrictions. So more videos on QuickMail, I promise to make more often, as this is a good code outreach software that I would love to spend my time with. So the more I get to discover about this tool and any future update I receive, I would love to share them with you here on my channel. So please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and if you've got any question, you can always ask me in the comment section below. Check out the QuickMail link in the video description and also in the pinned comment, and I'll see you in my other videos. Please take care of yourself, and bye.